So if you look at the display on the left hand side as you're looking at it, there's all the options there to use the drone autonomously, just drone only. And if you spin it around, and underneath there are 3 buttons there. There are the toggle buttons to go through the options.
Selfie shot, droney, circle, rocket, follow.
And then the red button activates it. So if I point it straight at me, press the red button.
Rear, follow, 3, 2, 1.
And off it goes. And with the mobile phone, it's picking up the Neo on the screen here, as you can see. So I'm going to connect it, and this is the screen that you get. Press connect, and now you have all the options there. So you can change it from follow down to manual control, selfie shot, rocket, circle, droney, master shot, cycling. So what I shall do is put it onto spotlight, start.
3, 2, 1.
And there it goes. And I shall walk away. It should hopefully follow me. Yeah, it's spinning round, trying to keep me in frame. You can also use the microphone there. Stop that. Microphone. So let's change the options on there to, let me have a look. Let's do a dolly zoom, let's see what that does. Okay, so it's going backwards. I can see the blue light on it, and it's coming back again. Stop that.
Returning to palm.
Oh, that's very close. So it's processing it. It looks like it's coming back again. Let's see how close it gets to me now. Wow, that is really close. So if you don't like close-ups, you're going to be worried about this one. So let me change it again. And we're going to try circle. Circle, 2 meters flat video. There we go. This time I'm going to use the remote control. This is the RC N3, and I'm going to hook up my phone to it, which is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So just a bit fiddly. I do have an RC2. We'll just try this one. Okay. Plug in your lead. Open up your DJI Fly app. Power on the controller. Power on the drone. So the Neo has been detected on the RC N3, so if I connect to it, switch it, so go fly, connect to aircraft, DJI Neo 2, it's installed. Sometimes you might have to press that pair now. I do have 3 different drones connected, so let me have a look. Yes, it's asking for me to press the button for 4 seconds. Aircraft beat, so confirm that. There you go, it is now connected, connection successful, and we can now set off the Neo. Just wait until we get some satellites. Yes, we've got 25 satellites. Takeoff permitted. Sticks down. Phase.
Takeoff.
And there you go.
Home point updated.
Draw a figure around myself. And point of interest. Set it off. And there's the Neo circling me now. Me is the point of interest. Okay, we'll stop the point of interest. And we'll do it as active track.
After subject starts moving, aircraft will fly to set direction.
To my front. There you go. Oh, that's high. Okay, fair enough. It's following me, so I'm going to bring it nearer. That's better. So it's still following me. And back again. Should come round here now to the front. See how long it takes. Very slowly coming round now. And there we have it. It's now at the front. Change it to the side. There it goes. Turn around. Should go to the other side now. Very, very slowly it's coming round. Bring it inside a bit. Should get a bit nearer to the front. Oh, that's done. Turn round quickly. See how quickly it reacts. And put it behind me. Turn round again. In front. And there you go. Stop that. And I shall do active tracking this time. That's active tracking, sorry. I shall do, let's have a look, active tracking, and you can do cycling or skiing on that one if you wanted to. So there is a drop down arrow if you want to do active tracking there. So on the active tracking, if you click on that, it says standard on the screen. You can click on there and you can choose cycling or skiing on there, so you can change the mode as well. Won't do for now. We'll call that a day for now.